The Kadayawan Festival is Davao City's colorful celebration in the Philippines, held every third week of August, honoring the city's cultural heritage, bountiful harvests, prosperity, and life. Derived from the Mandaya word Madayaw, meaning valuable, good, or fortunate, it celebrates life, peace, and the region's natural and cultural wealth. The festival showcases the unique traditions, costumes, and dances of Davao's indigenous groups, including the Ata, Bagoboklata, Sama, and Maranao. It evolved from the indigenous Thanksgiving rituals for bountiful harvests, officially named in 1988 by Mayor Rodrigo Duterte to foster unity after periods of unrest. The festival is held in August when durian is in season, and its abundance represents the region's agricultural prosperity. Durian is also known as king of fruits in the Philippines, a major agricultural product of Davao. The festival helps promote it locally and internationally, boosting sales for farmers and related businesses. This brings together locals and tourists, showcasing Davao as a fruit basket of the Philippines and a melting pot of cultures.
Sa puso ng Davao, sumibol ang Kadayawan mula sa pasasalamat ng mga sinaunang tribo sa biyaya ng kalikasan. Sa bawat tunog ng tambol at indak ng sayaw, muling binubuhay ang kanilang kwento ng pagkakaisa, tapang at pagmamahal sa lupaing Minang.
Mga mamamayan, pakinggan ninyo ang mga tambol para bang tinatawag tayo ng nakaraan ng Davao.
Oo, ramdam ko ang diwa ng 11 tribo, tila nagbabalik mula sa kanilang mga sinaunang ritual.
Noon, sila'y nagtitipon upang magpasalamat sa kalikasan, sa ulan, sa lupa at sa masaganang ani.
At bawat indak ng kanilang sayaw ay panata ng tapang, pagkakaisa at paggalang sa lupaing Minana. At bawat indak ng kanilang sayaw ay panata ng tapang, pagkakaisa at paggalang sa lupaing Minana.
Hanggang ngayon, dala ng Kadayawan ang lakas at karangalan ng kanilang pamana.
At tayo ay magpapatuloy ng kanilang kwento.
Handa ba tayong tahakin ang landas na iniwan nila?
Handa!
Narito na ang mga porsigidong estudyante ng Grade 9 Nitrogen sa kanilang Kadayawan Festival.